Now let us see some examples of the quadratic equation. Some equations are in disguise. That means they are not in the standard form. How to convert them in standard form? That is what we focus in this session. For example, x square is equal to 3x minus 1. Now here you see it is not in the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what you have to do is you take all right hand side factor to left hand side so that you get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So this is a way when you are having the quadratic equation in disguise, you have to convert them in standard format so that you can apply the quadratic equation solution formula to get the solutions. Next, let us consider another equation, 2 into w square minus 2w is equal to 5. Again, it is not in the standard form, so you multiply and take that constant also to the left hand side. Then you get 2w square minus 4w minus 5 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 5. Thus it is coming to standard format of quadratic equation. Then another equation, it is a factorized form, z into z minus 1 is equal to 3. In this case you multiply, you get z square minus z is equal to 3. Take that 3 on the left hand side so that that becomes minus 3. So that the quadratic equation becomes z square minus z minus 3 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 3. Thus, whenever the quadratic equation is given in disguise, then you have to put them in standard format so that you can apply the quadratic solution to solve the equation.